So today I'm going to be doing this. It's a review of this palette here, the Beauty Glazed Gorgeous Me palette. I'm really late right now, so I'm just kind of trying to do this intro. Really quick because I'm late to something. Yeah, like this video if you like this video, subscribe, do all those little things, and get on with the video. I have new makeup. I'm so excited. I have this Beauty Glazed Gorgeous Me eyeshadow tray. And it looks like this. It's very pretty. Oh, look at that. I am so excited. Let's just play a little bit. That's all I want to do. I have my base done and my eyebrows done. I've done those before I started filming. I got a lot of powder in my eyelashes for some reason this time, and I'm looking really cakey. Ignore that. It also came with a set of brushes. Don't know if I'll use any. It also came with this beauty sponge that I use to blend in my face. I'm using some natural light today rather than my room light. So I'm kind of running out of daylight. I don't even know what I want to do. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do like a neutral eye maybe and do like a color down bottom maybe. Literally have no plan. e.l.f. blending eye brush. I want to use this and go in my crease. These shades don't have names. Okay, I think I'm going to start with this one here. Just go in my crease. This is my first ever time like reviewing a product. Sorry about that, my boyfriend called. So when I was on the phone with him, I kind of went ahead and I took this 225 shade and blend brush, the latest color on this side, this one here, blended it out. So this is what I have so far. I'm gonna take this blending brush and like this one here. I'm just gonna try and focus that on the outer V area. See how it deepens it up? So far, I've noticed that these colors are really easy to blend. What am I gonna do from here? I don't know. I got all these swatched and I still don't know what to do. I ran out of daylight. I don't know what to do. I ran out of daylight. Let me just show you. This is what my window looks like right now. It's the middle of winter. So there's a pile of snow up by my window, and that's why I ran out of daylight. So here I am trying to film. Everything's changed. I'm sorry. Continuing with the makeup. I have this tapered, like fluffy brush. I'm going in with the darker side. I'm gonna take this one and just deepen up the inner V some more. So the cool thing with this palette is that it comes with all these colors. It's a 63 color makeup palette. Most of it is pressed pigment. You're getting a really good deal. Before I bought it, I tried to look up tutorials online, like on YouTube. I've seen really good reviews on Amazon. I couldn't find any reviews of like video reviews to see like how people actually liked it. Hopefully, if you're looking to buy this palette, which like right now I do recommend, hopefully you'll stumble upon this video. What I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the brush that comes with it. It's a little flat like packing brush, gold here. Let me just swatch it for you. That was really bad, I'm sorry. Okay, get some on the brush, and I'm gonna take my facial mist and just spray it. Put it on the center of my eye. Do you see that? No, because my lighting is... Like I said, I'm just going for a nice natural on top. And I'm just going to take that darker color that I want in with. This one here. I really wish this palette had names, but I'm just going to blend these two together. I notice when I do videos that when I'm doing my makeup, my voice trails off. I was watching Halsey doing Vogue's beauty videos, and she does the same thing. So I think that might be it for the top part of the eye. Surprise, I think I'm doing green. This little angled brush that comes with the palette. And color here. Spritz it. Put it under my eyes. I know it looks a little bit crazy right now, but I promise it will get a little bit better. Let me look like a maniac. I have a fluffy angled brush, dipping into the same color, make it less harsh. I didn't spray it this time. I have hazel eyes, so hopefully the green is supposed to bring them out, but this green is not doing anything. And it's even a green blue, because blue is supposed to bring out hazel eyes too. Blending brush again, and I'm gonna go in with that darker shade that I used in the crease again and just blend the green as much as I can. Now I'm going to take this white eyeliner, just warm it up on the back of my hand and my waterline. So I think that's it for the eyes. Kiss false lashes. I'm gonna go and do that off camera. I'm back. I'm really frustrated because I wanted to put diamonds on this, but I can't find any of my tweezers, so I went and I got these from my purse and they suck. They won't pick them up. So here we are. The eyes are done. I'm just gonna bronze a little bit. I actually have places to be, so the fact that I wasted all that time trying to put on those diamonds, this was annoying me the most. We're going to our friends for supper, and we have to be there soon. Yes, by the way, I am wearing overalls, coveralls, or dungarees, whatever you want to call them. Just slightly, just enough. Highlighter. Love a good highlight. Lips. I used this one last time, I think. My Sephora. The same round brush that I did the gold with. I'm gonna take the lighter green that's underneath and then just pop that in my inner corner. Really wish I didn't spend so much time with the diamonds. I'm gonna do my hair and I'll be right back. Okay, here's the finished look. I'm going to be updating you guys on the wear test of this because this is the eyeshadow that I came up with for the review to show how, like, if it's good. I like literally have to go like right now. So bye. Okay, so like I realized that I didn't close off this video. So here is how it looks like 8 hours later. It still looks really good. Like, look at that gold eyeshadow. Wow. See, the makeup is rubbed off my nose, so I'm just showing you my eyes. My eyelashes is like falling off, but don't blame that on the makeup. Blame that on like me, because my glue, I need new glue really bad. But yeah, this is a really good palette. I do recommend. And I know this video kind of sounds like it, but no, it's not an ad. It's just my personal opinion. I bought all this with my own money. Ain't nobody giving me nothing for free. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like it. And if you want to see more content by me, check out all the videos on my channel. Okay, bye.
I can't even get it all in. I'll drop that. I'm so sorry. I used it that I used to blend in my foundation. I don't wear foundation. Is that kind of dark? This brush, I need new brushes because this one really hurts. Okay, that's going to need to get moved. So mine's a little bit wonky, but hopefully yours won't be like that if you buy it. I noticed that when
This video is sponsored by Tim Hortons. Always fresh. Always. Tim Hortons. What?
I'm deleting it.
No, you're not.
Unless you actually want to be in my
You're
video.
gonna put it in.
Okay, I'll put it in.
Make sure it's like the bloopers though, where it's like my voice is really fast.
Oh, you don't mind it when it's the bloopers?
Nah, not really. So what look are you going for? Oh, aquamarine.
I guess so. Screwing with this. I like this video. Give it a thumbs up. That's the same thing.